Howdy y'all, it's Barley, Chloe, and Rhonda here, and today we're at Boss Hogg's Barbecue Shack located in Wears Valley. So welcome back to the Harmony Hills family. We're your go-to guide to travel smart, travel wise through the Great Smoky Mountains. We're here to show you all the best spots, insider tips, so you can make the most of your journey through these majestic hills. So buckle up, hold on to your hats, and let's make unforgettable memories together.
Howdy y'all, Chloe, Barley, and Rhonda back at it, spilling the beans about our latest southern escapade at Boss Hogg's on Wears Valley and Pigeon Forge.
You got it, Chloe. Now let's dive into those pics and relive the good times.
First off, we snagged a shot of Boss Hogg's, a real hidden treasure with that log cabin charm. Blink and you might miss it, so keep those peepers peeled, folks.
And speaking of charm, that covered porch stole our hearts, rain or shine. You can enjoy your victuals outdoor. Plus, there's a larger-than-life rocking chair. You can capture a memory that says, "We ate at Boss Hogg's." Pure gold for a photo op.
Once we stepped inside, that bare entrance and them cute windows had us grinning ear to ear. The attention to detail is like a warm old hug, I tell ya.
Now don't be fooled by the little size. Boss Hogg's is bustling with locals and adventurers alike. Regular tables, picnic tables, and that pig grill, we were oinking with joy.
And let's not forget them beautiful windows, clean as a whistle. Time flew by admiring those while watching our grub.
Ah, the southern sips, sweet tea, unsweet tea, and Coca-Cola for days. The menu, a southern smorgasbord, sandwiches, meats, classics, and desserts, y'all. And if sodas ain't your thing, they've got other sips to wet your whistle too.
Now, on to the feast. We dived into smoked sausage by the pound with a side of french fries, coleslaw, and a complimentary roll. Finger looking good indeed.
And then we tackled that brisket by the pound, a side of baked beans and mac and cheese, all served up with that irresistible roll. And y'all, that mac and cheese deserves its own Grammy. It's that good.
Saving room for dessert, we snagged a slice of strawberry cake for the road. Thick vanilla icing and moist strawberry goodness. A sweet send-off to our culinary adventure here at Boss Hogg's.
Last but not least, them barbecue sauces. Traditional and spicy, Boss Hogg's knows how to sauce it up right. Whether you're kicking it old school or craving a bit of heat, they've got you covered.
So if you're cruising through Pigeon Forge, make a pit stop here at Boss Hogg's. Tell them Chloe, Barley, and Rhonda sent you for a taste of southern goodness and hospitality that'll make your taste buds do a happy jig.
Now y'all, what are you waiting for? Let's roll that montage of all the delicious food we ate.
Well, there you have it. We'd like to leave you fine folks with the verse of the day. It's Psalms 37:4. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart.
If y'all enjoyed this journey as much as we did, don't forget to give that like button a little love, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to Harmony Hills for more adventures. Remember, wherever your travels may lead you, keep it in the Harmony Hills spirit. Travel smart, travel wise. Can't wait to see y'all on the flip side of our next grand adventure.